Yeah, another week and another Nintendo to give away. This week we are doing it with Dog Lotto. This is Super Rocky. He is going to eat a bunch of pies and they are numbered 0 to 9, and whichever number comes up, he wins the Nintendo Wii. Give me 5, buddy. He doesn't like the camera. Good boy. Which one do you want? Which one? Come on. Come on. Come on. Which one? Any of these? Come on, right. Wiggy. He doesn't want to eat the pies. Wiggy. Safe to say, this one just here is the preferred pie of choice for number 1. It's a 3, ladies and gentlemen. I think we have the second pie of choice here, and it's a number 1. And we have the last one, which is number 4. 314 is the winner of the Nintendo Wii. Thanks to Skuff TV and Dog Lotto, SNTV at froggy.com.au. You are the winner of a Nintendo Wii for this week. Tell your mates about it. Get down to Skuff TV, Skuff, SKUFF.TV for your chance to win.